Instead of just dropping the food colouring into the glass of water, what I'm going to do now is introduce a special ingredient, and that is shaving foam. What that's going to do is to create a barrier that will delay the drop of the food colouring, but also change how it falls as well and create these kind of alien vapour trail things. I'm also going to use two different colours. I've got the red that creates this nice emotional resonance with the viewers, and I'm also going to try a yellow as well, but try whatever colours you've got. First things, let's have a squirt of the shaving foam. Just squirt it on top, see what happens. There we go. Don't have to be too precise with it, but that's a good start. Right, so phone at the ready. Let's drop some food colouring on top and see what happens. Bit of you, bit of you. That gives me a vital bit of time to get in there. And now we just have to wait till it falls down. And carry on waiting until it falls down. I'll tell you what, I'll just drop another couple of bits in. Right then, let's get in there. Lovely. And you see the shapes, they're falling all over the place. So you've got just a little bit more time. And you can see the little bursts that start to come through. That's just how the shaving foam is just letting little droplets through at a time. I think that looks really interesting. Try pointing up and including the bottom of the layer in there as well. Another couple of drops. There we go, there's a burst of yellow come through there. Lovely. And again, you have to watch the focus. There's more coming through there as well. Keep going, there we go. Now, focus can be a challenge. What I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in to 2x zoom. Now, this is quite controversial. If your camera on your phone has an optical zoom, then that's a bit of a no-brainer. Do it, and you may find it easier to focus. If, like this phone here, it's only a digital zoom, that means that the image will degrade, but try it and see if it works. If you're posting these images on Instagram or another online sharing platform, then the degradation in the image may just be fine, and it may help you to get some better shots. So let's have one last go, squirting some droplets in. Here we go. And you see with 2x zoom, it's just a little bit easier to focus. There we go on the top. Look what's happening now. More's coming through now. We've just been waiting for them to come down. And here we go. Let's capture some of those. Now, focus and take. Focus and take. And again, zoom 2x in. Focusing just becomes a little bit easier. There we are. A lot of fun to be had here, a lot of experimentation, but already I'm seeing some shots that I'm really excited about.